For this recipe, we are using 1.5 pounds of steak cut into bite-sized pieces. You may use beef tenderloin, ribeye, or sirloin. Season with 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 4 cloves of fresh garlic minced. You may wonder why use fresh garlic and garlic powder. I like the combination of both in this recipe. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which is about half a lemon. 1 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then toss until all the pieces of steak are coated in the marinade. Then transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Now bring a large pot of water to a boil. To the water, add in 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Add in 2 pounds of gnocchi. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or as per package direction. Be sure to stir the pot as they cook. The gnocchi will float to the top once they are done. Drain the gnocchi and set them aside. Now in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, sear the meat and do this in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. If you crowd the pan, you will steam the meat instead of searing. Sear the steak bites for about 2 to 3 minutes until crispy and the edges are browned. Once the first batch has been seared, remove from the skillet and go in with batch number 2. Once batch number 2 has been seared, bring the first batch into the skillet. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, followed by the drained gnocchi. Reduce the heat to medium. Saute for another couple of minutes until the gnocchi is slightly brown. Garnish with fresh parsley. And last but not least, freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, easy steak bites and gnocchi. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.